Hello students, I am going to discuss potential energy due to dipole placed in uniform electric field. First of all, a dipole is placed in an external uniform electric field, then it feels equal and opposite force so that it experiences torque and it will start to rotate. Supposed initially the angle is theta 1 and after some time its angle becomes theta 2. Let at any instant it rotates by an small angle d theta. So as you know, if angle is small, then work done will also small. So if we want to calculate potential energy, then we will calculate always work done. Now there are two formula of work done. W equals to Fs when object is in linear or translational motion, and W equals to tau theta when object is in rotational motion. So here we will use W equals to tau theta. As angle is small, it means work done is also small. As we can say dW equals to tau d theta, and I am writing the value of torque, which is tau equals to Pe sine theta, this one. So W equals to Pe sine theta d theta, and integration is from theta 1 to theta 2, as initially it is at an angle theta 1 and rotate by angle theta 2. So the integration of sine theta is minus cos theta, and I am applying this minus sign here and putting the upper and lower limit. Cos, first I am putting upper limit theta 2 minus cos theta 1. So work done is equals to potential energy, that is U equals to minus Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Supposed theta 1 is 90 degree and theta 2 is theta. Then on putting these value in this equation, then we get minus P cos theta, because cos 90 is 0. So if we want to write its vector form, then it will be U equals to minus vector P dot vector E. As cos theta is coming in the formula, then we will apply dot product, and if sin theta is coming in the formula, then we will apply cross product. Or we can say, if one angle is given, then we will use this formula, and if two angles are given, then we will use this formula.